Hi, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 148 3rd Street, Unit 222. This lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is situated in a great area. It's at the Cobourg waterfront. Come on in. Let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll see the kitchen with a lot of cabinet space and newer appliances. Open to the dining area and the living area. There's a walkout to the covered balcony with great views. The primary bedroom is bright and cheerful with a walk-in closet and a 4-piece ensuite. There's an additional bedroom and a 3-piece bath. Additional great features is the in-suite laundry, locker, and underground parking.